It's important for an individual in business to write and speak clearly and with purpose. I mean, I shouldn't have to explain it, but in this world where if you imagine all the words and phrases of this great grey ocean, you know, you need to be the colourful yacht on top of that grey ocean and you'll get noticed. So if you do, and it's really easy because you just use plain English, you speak and write. Well, write as you speak for a start, and speak as though you were talking always to an intelligent friend. Always write everything, no matter how complex the business you work in is. Always write a sentence that your granny could understand. Because that is the best way to get your point across, because people want simplicity. People don't have time. They whiz through, everything is now digital, they whiz through their web browser, they don't have time to stop, they never read more than about 50 words. Your headlines, your writing, it's important that you get your point across very, very quickly, because you will lose them. You will lose them almost immediately. As soon as you tell people about your insights into something, they switch off because they see the word insight everywhere. I saw a famous consultant that had a part of its website was called Our Insights, and then the subtitle was Insights You Can Trust, and the beginning of the article was Our Unique Insight on XYZ. Well, that was about 3 or 4 insights before we got into the article. I looked at the first paragraph and there was another 2 insights. Insights become meaningless. It used to be quite a useful word, but it's meaningless. So we need to think again about how we're going to articulate these ideas. And if you do that as an individual, you will stand out. The time is right.